Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be stir-fried mixed vegetable, Chap Chye. You can mix any vegetable you want with this one recipe. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more cooking videos. And let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the cabbage into small pieces. Slice the carrots. Remove stems of mushroom and cut them into small pieces. Do not pour away the water. Cut the glass vermicelli slightly. And the cooking begins. At high heat, add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Mushroom goes in and cook till softened. Carrots goes in and stir for a while. Add in the dried shrimps and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and stir till fragrance is out. Add in the cabbage and some water. Add in the mushroom water without the black stuff. Once cabbage is softened, add in the dried beancurd skin. Stir occasionally till the beancurd skin dries up. Add in the condiments and mix. Add in the vermicelli and add another half bowl of water if it's too dry. And once everything is softened, it's done. That's it. Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!